Meet the Portable Countertop Dishwasher, your kitchen savior. Imagine a dishwasher that fits perfectly into your apartment or RV, eliminates messy installations, and guarantees sparkling clean dishes. The Portable Countertop Dishwasher isn't just compact, it's a game changer for small spaces, blending functionality with elegance. Gone are the days of fussing over hookups. This dishwasher features a detachable 7L water tank for effortless use and portability. Plus, it tackles 30-plus pieces of tableware, including plates up to 10 inches, thanks to its impressive capacity. Perfect for saving time after hosting or enjoying family meals. With 6 versatile washing programs like Eco, Intense, and Glass, this dishwasher is ideal for all your dishwashing needs. Need dishes dried? The hybrid drying function offers hot air drying with hygiene care, keeping your plates and utensils clean and fresh. Its sleek LED interface makes operation a breeze, while its energy-efficient design consumes just 170 kWh annually. Whether you're camping, living in an apartment, or on the go in an RV, this little powerhouse saves space, utility bills, and time. Enjoy peace of mind with its 192 degrees Fahrenheit Hi-Temp hygiene care, perfect for baby products. Plus, the preserve function keeps dishes fresh with fan ventilation over 24 hours. No odors, just freshness from start to finish. The Portable Countertop Dishwasher combines ease of use and powerful performance in a sleek, modern design. With glowing reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear why customers love it. Upgrade your home by clicking here. Add the dishwasher to your cart today and transform your dishwashing game. Your kitchen deserves this convenience. Don't wait, make the smart choice now. Buy now via the link in the description. To enjoy this incredible product, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel.